Buckle up, everybody. A new analysis is out on insurance rates. They vary by zip code, but Bankrate has sketched out the average annual premium for different Texas cities, and there's some high numbers in there. If you've noticed that your cost for coverage is rising, there are lots of reasons for that, but this can't be helping. A recent report found that Texas had 91% compliance with wearing seatbelts, but this was just one of 5 states where they found seatbelt use has gone down since 2012. They also found that in the most recent year of state data, Texas had the most people who weren't wearing seatbelts when they were killed in car accidents, 892 of them in that 1 year. This is a big deal, and you can bet auto insurance companies are calculating this when they set our rates, because if you are using a seatbelt, the federal government says you're 50% less prone to being moderately or critically injured and 45% less likely to be fatally injured. So please wear yours. If you don't listen to me, take it from 16-year-old Jason. He was driving one day without his seatbelt, but he stopped for gas, got back in the car, and decided for whatever reason to put it on. About 5 minutes later, young Jason crashed, flipped the car, and was left upside down, hanging by a seatbelt, looking at grass through a shattered windshield about this far away. Since then, I have always buckled in, and this topic is obviously very personal to me, so I want you to check out my post at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook and Twitter today. There's a lot of info in there, including something every parent should see to make sure their kids are buckled in. A couple of times I thought mine were, and they weren't. If we're all strapped in, we can prevent a lot of injuries and fatalities, and we might actually save some money on premiums too. If not for that seatbelt many years ago, I most likely wouldn't be here today keeping you right on safety and on the money.